Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make spicy dipping sauce. To begin, you will need a few key ingredients. First, gather fresh chili peppers, garlic, and ginger. These will form the aromatic heart of our sauce. Next, prepare your liquid components: soy sauce, vinegar, and a hint of sugar. Finally, make sure you have a neutral oil ready, as it is essential for infusing all these wonderful flavors together. Now, let's get into the preparation. Start by finely mincing about 2 tablespoons of your chosen fresh chili peppers. Adjust for your desired heat level. Next, crush 3 cloves of garlic and grate 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger. These 3 ingredients are the foundation of our sauce's vibrant taste. Carefully combine all these prepared aromatics in a sturdy, heat-proof bowl, ready for the next step. This is where the magic happens. Heat 1/2 cup of a neutral oil, like canola or grapeseed, until it reaches about 350 degrees Fahrenheit and just begins to shimmer. Be very careful as you slowly pour this hot oil directly over the minced chili peppers, garlic, and ginger in your heat-proof bowl. You will hear a wonderful sizzle, which means the intense flavors are perfectly infusing into the oil. Almost done. Once the initial sizzle subsides, stir in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. These liquids add depth and tanginess. To perfectly balance the heat and acidity, incorporate 1 teaspoon of sugar and a small pinch of salt. Give it a good mix, then let the sauce cool for about 10 minutes before serving. Enjoy this versatile, flavorful dipping sauce with almost anything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.